So we're filming, we're going down range to check out the targets.
Let's see how y'all did. I've been doing it. You got a couple years under your belt. What, a good 10 years or so?
Roughly since I was a child.
It's about 10, 12 years ago.
15. Got my first gun when I was 8.
I remember my first beer.
I remember my first beer.
When the fuck could we get ice cream? You think I get ice cream?
Be in mind, everything hitting this lower target is on a 22 long rifle with an unmagnified red dot.
Hey, talk to the camera.
Oh, he is talking to the camera.
Unmagnified red dot. From 100 yards, roughly.
Now, you guys know where you shot, so point to it. Who was the most accurate?
Well, it's kind of hard to see, you know.
Well, they're
So that's all 223.
the most accurate.
That's all 22.
This here, right here, the top left on the cardboard, that was with your dad and his gun. But see, here's the thing. All this in 9, the inner circle, that is all of us.
Damn.
That's us with my rifle. That down there is an unmagnified red dot. That's what blows my mind. No, everything on that target.
Down here.
The bottom one.
There you go.
Still not bad. Still pretty good.
You gotta understand what unmagnified
They're pretty
is.
good shooters. I give them that. Try.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, hit the red.